morning to one and all present here. I am Fiona of grade 4 along with the members of my class grade 4. We are presenting today's assembly. We wish you a very auspicious morning. Most Honorable Chairman Sir, Correspondent Ma'am, Principal Sir, respected teachers and all my brothers and sisters. Today, 31st of August 2020 is a special Monday for us because we are celebrating the festival of Onam. May I request you all to rise up and join us for the Tamil Thai Varthu. Let us invoke the blessings of our Creator for the day. Dear friends, I call upon you to join your hands, close your eyes and bow down your heads for a word of prayer. My colleague Danishka Shri will lead us in a prayer.
Dear God, we pray for a bright day to have fun without lessons and play. We ask for wisdom as we explore and experiment, and we pray for knowledge as we go through each page. We ask to grow strong and wise as we study and play and win every race, and ask it and yes on our parents, friends, and our caretakers.
Thank you, Danishka Shri. We feel the mighty presence of God. A new day begins with new thoughts, new strength and endless possibilities. So to enlighten us and our morning assembly, I would like to call Afrin Fatima for the thought for the day.
Good morning, I am Afrin Fatima. Success will never lower its standard. To accommodate us, we have to raise our standard to achieve it. Thank you.
Thank you, Afrin Fatima. It was indeed thoughtful. Let me invite Edwin Joshua to give us the word for the day.
Good morning, I am Edwin. Today's new word, recital, meaning able to adapt. Example, Sonia is very versatile. Thank you.
Thank you, Edwin Joshua. Now I call upon Geetika to speak some points about the Onam festival.
Good morning, I am Geetika. Onam is the official state festival of Kerala. It's a major event for the residents as well as for the people who are outside Kerala. Onam is a harvest festival and one of the three major celebrations among the Hindus of South India. The celebration of Onam starts from the first day of Malayalam New Year, which continues for 10 days. Major series of festivals take place in all the 30 cities of Kerala with full zeal and just across the Malayalam communities. 10 days of harvest festival celebrated with the grand royal parade. People decorate floral carpet known as Onapookolam, which is made up of several types of flowers, and also make rangolis of different colors. People get prepared for their traditional dance. Thank you.
Thank you, Geetika. It was amazing. Let's enjoy with the floral rangoli, the famous of Onam. welcome. To enlighten us with the current happenings, I would like to call Olive Trifina for the news.
Good morning, I am Olive Trifina from 4th Standard. National News. NEET will be conducted at 3,846 centers across 155 cities on September 13 and JEE at 615 centers across 234 cities over 12 sessions from September 1 to 6. International news. Amid the COVID-19 pandemic and widespread school closures, at least one-third of students affected around the world lack access to virtual education. Sports news. Indian hockey player Akashdeep Singh is extremely delighted and honored to be conferred with the Arjuna Award. Thank you.
Thank you, Olive Trifina. Let's welcome Fauzana to share a valuable tip for our life.
Hi, I am Veena. I'm 9 years old. I'm very creative. I give great ideas to my Aunt Malu, but they always end up in some trouble. Now I'm going to meet my aunt. Come with me. Aunt Malu, where are you? I'm in my workshop, Veena. Okay, I'm coming. Good morning. Hi, Auntie. I came to meet you because I've got a new idea. No, Veena, not again, please. Just listen to me once. This idea will make you rich. Veena, all your ideas are creative, but they end up in trouble. Do you remember your first idea? My first idea was adopt a pet plan. That was a wonderful plan, isn't it? Do you think so, Veena? I was in great trouble because of the myna and monkey I adopted. Yes, the myna imitated the doorbell sound. You were running back and forth the whole day. And the monkey stole the food from all our neighbors' houses. Oh my God, I suffered a lot. Don't you want to become rich? No, Veena, I'm really happy now. I don't want to become rich as I already am. You are my greatest treasure, and I have you. Yes, Auntie, our family is our greatest treasure. We should love and cherish them. Earning people and their love is more important than earning money. Thank you for the valuable lesson, dear Aunt Malu. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, Fauzana. Surely we will give importance to our family members. Let's invite Alosia and Eileen to entertain you all. May I request our respected principal to give his address and share his valuable thoughts with us.
Good morning, how are you? Once again, welcome to a productive week of online learning. Happy to see you all responding well. Now it is time that for the next 2 weeks you can take up your classes, reteaching of all your portions and a proper revision that is going to be given by your facilitators. Make the best use of it. and ensure that you learn well when the assessments will be conducted. Now, once again, I'd like to give a short message with regarding to your effective speaking in the English language. Here are some tips. Speak clearly and watch your speed of speech. Avoid mumbling. Think about what you want to say and then say it. Listen actively. Pay attention to what is being said and what is not being said. Effective listeners remember that words have no meaning. People have meaning. Be aware of the language you use. Don't overcomplicate your sentences unnecessarily. Set time aside for your English each day and make it a priority. Make a conscious effort to inject more English into your typical day. And this is how you can improve and effectively communicate in your English language. Make the best use of the tips given and try to inculcate in your daily speaking of the English language.
Thank you, sir, for your precious thoughts. It is now time for the national anthem. May I request all of you to stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे